Hey guys, what's up? Today we'll be unboxing the Littlest Pet Shop Vacation in Rio playset. Yeah, this is part of the Passport to Fashion set, I guess. Here's a quick shot at the bottom. This comes with 85 pieces and exclusive to Toys R Us. Here's a shot at the top, and it comes with our good friend Vinnie Terrio. I think I'm saying that right. If not, let me know in the comments below. There's your little blue friend. And here's another shot of the side. This basically gives you a list of all the other pets you could get. There's Zoe Trent, Pepper Clark, Penny Ling, Minka Mark. What is that? Oh, anyway. Here's a shot of the other side. And this comes with a free LPS app for your iPhone. Check it out. Here's a quick shot of the back. So this is basically what it's going to look like after it's all done. It's pretty cool. Can't wait. Alright guys, let's get this open. I got my X-Acto knife. Oh, and kids, please remember, do not handle sharp objects unless an adult is there to supervise. These are very dangerous, so be very careful. Let me put that away. And let's get to the stuff in the box. Pull this out. Come on. Let's get it. Alright, here we go. First we got I think this is a backdrop. I'm not sure. Got instruction manual. And here is I think this goes on the back. This is probably the background. I hope it's upside down. Oh, here we go. Alright, first we got the base. And what you want to do is you want to put this black, I think it's like a beam. Or like, I think it probably holds up the roof, I'm pretty sure. One goes on the right. The other goes on the left, of course. Just want to make sure you get that down. Alright, there you go. Push it down. And do not forget this little piece. This is very important. Nice and sturdy. Okay, here we go. And now we got the background. Slide it right in. There you go. Now these little thingies are the side panels. There's a texture side and a smooth side. What you want to do is if you want the ornaments to appear on the outside, you want to put it on the smooth side. I'll show you what I mean. Here you go. See, this is a smooth side, and it will go on the outside. Like that. So if you reverse it, the ornaments will be in the inside. Let's put this on top. Side, let's switch it up a bit. Let's start with the green one. There you go. Oh, you got a little stuck. Alright, I'm gonna push it down a little bit. And now the orange one. Alright. Okay, looking good. Now let's put this is where the curtains go. Does not want to go in. Hold on. What is up with this thing? You gotta like nudge it in. There you go. See how it swings back and forth? the other side. All right, let's get the curtains. We got a pink. Oh, wait. I think the only ones you get are pink. Yep, sorry. Just put that in there. That's pretty cool. Just a little wrinkly. It's okay. Let me get that in there. There you go. Slide that in. And there we go. Now they're both on. Now let's put the roof on. Now this part is kind of tricky. You gotta like line up like the 4 squares on the pillars and push it in. I had a little trouble with this. Push it down. Once you hear that click, you'll know you got it. Alright, now we got these little ornaments. Now what you want to do here is you want to pick them out of the little thing. There you go. This is like a flower, I guess, and you got a couple other different designs. I think there's a butterfly and a heart. And they all come in different colors, as you can see. You got a pink one. This is sort of pink. It's like a reddish pink. Got an orange one and a yellow one. Oh, another pink one. Sorry. There we go. There's a yellow one. All right. I'm pretty sure you guys didn't want to see me pick all those out, so I just skipped that part. So what you want to do now is you want to take these little ornaments and put them in these little holes. You know what, let's put a pink one right, I don't know, right here. This looks good. Put it right there. And, you know, when you guys do this, you can put it any way you want. But I'm gonna put it like this. Boy, this is gonna take me forever. How about one more? Push it in there. All right, let's just do the other side. Just one right there. How about another one? There's a close-up for you guys. It's a flower, and the one on the left is like a cupcake. All right, let's get to this part. Now this I thought was a backdrop, but what it really is I guess the bottom piece of the pool. Shot for you guys. So it's sort of like a summer house, you know, next to your pool. All right, let's look at some of these items. This I think looks like a dog house or some sort. Let's just put it right there. We got our little pink flamingo. They always look nice next to a pool, don't they? We got our a turtle. You know what? I don't know what you call this. Somebody, please help me out. Actually, when I saw this, I didn't quite know what it was, but it's actually a barbecue grill. And this is sort of like the stuff you put on the grill. You know, you got your kebabs and your shrimps. Yep, see? Just like that. I have no idea what that is. Here you got your spatula and your, I guess your tongs for your barbecue. Here's a little ice cream. I thought this was pretty neat. Here's your little coconut drink with your umbrella. And your little summer beach hat. Or should I say pool hat? Let's try it out. There you go. Fits right on top. He has a little nice bobbly head for you guys. Get the ice cream. Now I think you put it in his hand. Does it work? You know what? It doesn't work. I think it's for something else. Oh well. No, that's not it. There we go. Now this works. He's cooking at the barbecue. Spatula in each hand. Wait. There's a little hole on his chest. Are you supposed to put the ice cream there? No, I don't think so. Doesn't fit. Where's... how about this little cane thingy? No, this doesn't work. Oh well, whatever. Put him right there for now. Now we got this little guy. I wasn't sure what his name was. They didn't really tell you. He can go on top of this thing. He'll go for a swim later. Now we got our beach chairs. We got a pink one and a blue one. Here's a little, I guess, a picnic bench, table kind of thing. Of course, you can't have a beach party without a palm tree. Let's put it over here. No, doesn't quite. Here we go. Over there. Move the bench over here. You know what? Let's put some of the drinks on here. There you go. Now we're partying. Got our little boom box right there. Put it next to the barbecue. And of course, can't forget the umbrellas. Each, what do you call this? There you go. They each get an umbrella. Oh, and they each come with stickers too, which is pretty cool. And yeah, that's about it, guys. I hope you like this playset unboxing / review. Yeah, so give me a like, give me a thumbs up. If you guys got any questions, leave it in the comments below. Subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll see you guys next week. Later.